guys, so guys, welcome back to my channel guys, no? Medyo ngayon lang tayo ng podcast. Guys, i-flex ko lang ito guys, no? Ang preparation ko para sa board health and safety guys, 2024. So, ito guys, no? Pasok tayo guys, no? Para makita nyo, no? Let's take a look inside. Preparing for the program. Right now, preparing all of the program. Later on guys, I have to get more video for this program, as you can see. Here guys, no, nag-prepare tayo ng entrance title ng program natin guys, no? So, have a look inside guys, no? Ito sa loob. So ayun guys, as you can see, may mga informative tayo ng mga posters na tawag nito nilagay guys, ano? So as you can see here, meron tayong safety milestone. So yung mga na-accomplish natin guys, no? Trainings, meron tayong toolbox meeting, meron tayong emergency drill, safety awards as well. Okay. So dito guys, ito yung pinali guys, no? Lagay tayo rito ng tawag nito signage guys, no? Na sisimbolize siya guys, no? Sa climate change. Actually guys, ang concept ng tawag nito ng program natin guys is it's all about for climate changing guys, no? As you can see here guys, maraming signatures dito, lahat ng signatures ng mga worker, but not at all guys, no? Kasi may mga missing pa naman mga workers, hopefully by Saturday. So right here guys, nag-provide tayo ng very iconic design, which is made from raw materials, no? Symbolizing siya guys realidad na nangyayari ngayon, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng global warming, no? So right here guys, this portions, as you can see, this is disaster forest, as you can see now. So ayun, kalbo siya guys, no? So over there guys, so yan yung healthy forest, right? So nag-design din tayo ng ganyan. So right here guys, as you can see, this is the current situations of the site. Actually guys, we're planning to provide water this because this is a flooded site, as you can see, no? So ayun siya. So probably guys, ganito mangyari dahil sa global warming. So right there guys, no? Ayun, may polluted city siya guys, as you can see. Then over here, a clean beach, but I'm sorry guys, no, kasi empty siya. But we're planning to provide water. And right here guys is polluted beach. So ayun. So ayun ang conceptualize natin guys, no? Conceptualize natin yan. Yan siya guys. So over here, we're going to we having a very informative and a very suitable concept. So meron tayong limang tawag ito segregations ng mga boxes, which is symbolizing siya sa glass, hazardous waste, papers, plastic, at saka yung isa guys, hindi pa napinturahan. So we are going to having a white paint later on, or probably by Saturday. So lalagyan natin yung mga cost waste dyan. Dito naman guys, as you can see, ayun guys, oh, nag-provide tayo ng scaffolding, no? With complete components. So as you can see over there guys, nag-provide tayo ng gumawa tayo ng tawag nito, dami. Ayun, P2PPE siya guys, no? As you can see. Over here, segregate tayo ng mga damage ng mga tools. As you can see here, ayun, meron tayong signages, damage tools. So dito guys, makikita natin kung ano yung mga sira na dapat ipa-emphasize sa mga worker para obviously maintindihan ng workers kung ano yung tama o mali, no? So may damage tayo na chasma, or should I say goggle, helmet, damage na sling, damage na gloves, damage na knife, damage na steel brass, socket, kitty, ayun, isa pa, lights, ayun, ang dami, blades, shovel, damage na meter, ang dami. So dito naman guys, unsafe na protrudings, then safe na protrudings kasi naglagay na tayo ng protection dyan. So over here guys, we are concentrating for the hand injury. So ayun guys, meron tayong sinus din na nakafocus sa hand injury. Then working at heights, then electrical safety. Right here guys, meron tayong PowerPoint. Ayan, PowerPoint tayo. Dito naman guys, environmental. Meron tayong environmental. So ayun guys, for the meantime, this is it. Hopefully guys, inspire kayo, no? Sa ating simpleng preparations. So right here guys, meron tayong permit system as well. Ayan. Ayan guys.